We are here and I am here welcoming everyone to the iOS Health Card Media launch and the contract signing. How about a big hand everyone for iOS and PhilCare?
Kasi lahat ito possible katok ni Lord eh. Na anak, kaya mo nakita sa Facebook feed mo yung iOS Health Card kasi ito yung pinapakita ko sa'yo na hindi ka mag-isa sa laban na to.
For the longest time, standard na sa Pilipinas na ang healthcare is only for those who are healthy.
Ang Pilipinas po, nahuhuli na talaga tayo. Kasi ang countries like UK, ng US, they make it a mandate na i-cover ang pre-existing. It's actually illegal not to cover pre-existing. And yet, this is the first here in the Philippines.
It's a massive irony. Kapag may pre-existing condition ka na, tapos nag-apply ka, sorry. But IOSS, Insurance Agency, was built to change that game. We're not here just to sell another insurance policy. We are here to finally provide the protection that Filipinos actually need. Our mission is simple to level the playing field so that protection belongs to everyone. Hindi lang sa healthy at hindi lang sa wealthy.
We are making sure that every associate will have not just an extra income but a stable income that would provide for their family.
Isang post lang Isang post lang babahain na kayo ng inquiries kasi po, ganon kaganda yung iOS Health Card natin.
Ang hirap pa rin kapag umaasa ka lang dun sa God will provide na saying without actually looking into His provision. Ano ba talaga yung piniprepare niya for you para hindi ka matakot, hindi ka bigla na lang mabubulagta, dadalhin sa ER, or at 25, 26, hindi mo na diagnose ng maaga or napagamot ng mas maaga.
For 7 years, they're assisting the Filipino people. So that's their core.
Nakita ko po si iOS Health Card. Naintriga po ako. iOS Health Card? Sabi ko bago sa pandinig ko. Tapos nakalagay doon, covered daw po si pre-existing illness or pre-existing condition day 1 pa lang. Sabi ko, parang too good to be true to. At thank you po kay iOS Health Card dahil mas napapagaan po yung paggastos ko ngayon sa sarili ko at saka sa pag-manage po ng illness ko.
iOS started just as a health card, but now it becomes more of a movement wherein we are changing people's lives. We are helping them get coverage.
Kaya sa lahat po ng mag-asawa na nakikinig ngayon, huwag po nating hintayin ang tamang panahon. Kasi minsan akala natin marami pa tayong oras pero hindi pala. Ang paghahanda po hindi lang para sa sarili natin, kundi para din po sa pamilya na maiiwanan natin. Sa panahong pinakamahirap para sa akin, hindi niyo po ako pinabayaan. Kaya ngayon masasabi ko po sa inyo na dahil sa ayos na ako. Maraming salamat po.